Hello, friends! Today, we are going to make a super fun Bluey and Bingo bottle craft. First, let's find an empty bottle. Now we paint the whole bottle with white acrylic paint. Wow, it already looks so cool! You can even use shiny glass paint if you like. Next, let's draw Bluey and Bingo all around the bottle. Look carefully. We are making them cute and happy, just like in the cartoon. Now it's painting time. Let's use bright blue, orange, yellow, and brown acrylic colors to bring Bluey and Bingo to life.
Sure thing, babe. Oh, it all looks so good, babe. Wonderful. Unreal, babe. If we pay him, the game's finished. What are we gonna do, babe?
Wow! The bottle is becoming colorful, cute, and amazing! Ta-da! Our Bluey and Bingo bottle craft is looking awesome already. Let's keep decorating and make it extra special. Or you can tie a colorful rope and hang it up to make your room look super fun and creative. You can place this cute bottle on your study table, bedroom shelf, or anywhere you like as a beautiful decoration. But wait, here comes the most magical part. Let's put some fairy lights inside the bottle. Ooh, wow! Look at that beautiful glow! At night, the bottle shines so brightly and makes Bluey and Bingo look absolutely amazing. It looks cozy, magical, colorful, and super pretty. I totally love it! What do you think, friends?